Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to backup and restore your Windows 11 system files. So very useful and free software for Windows 11 is US Partition Master Suite. Open any browser and search this one is US Partition Master Suite and install it. Once you install it, to backup and restore your system files, disks and partitions, just click there. Click on scan now, and there are some more features. You can optimize, clean up your system files, privacy protection. So this is a complete suite for Windows 10 or 11. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not. And if you like this video, so please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.